Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hipshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 27th of September 2021 and today's discussion topic is constructor. Now today we will discuss about the constructor. Firstly, we will see the definition of the constructor. If you talk about the constructor is a special type of method whose name is same as the class name. But in case of the constructor, there will be no return type is provided for constructor, and we can use the access modifier for a constructor to decide the scope of that constructor. That's all about the constructor. If we talk about some of the points of the constructor is used to initialize the object. Then in Java, every Java class has a constructor. It may be a default constructor or it may be any other type of the constructor. Third one is the if you create an object of the class, then automatically call for the constructor is going on. That's all about the constructor. If you talk about the syntax of the constructor, as I talk now, there will be no return type is provided for constructor, but there will be an access modifier will be given for the constructor. And if we talk about the types of the constructors are mainly divided into four types. First one is the private constructor, second one is the default constructor, third one is the parameterized constructor, and fourth one is the copy constructor. In C and C++ language, there will be three constructors there, that is the default, parameterized, and copy. But in Java, there will be one constructor type is added, that is a private constructor. Means that constructor scope is within a class. Outside of the class, it will be not accessible. That's all about the private constructor. If you talk about the default constructor, in the default constructor, there will be no argument or no parameter is given in the constructor while in the constructor calling. But in case of the parameterized constructor, there will be some of the argument is passed for calling of that constructor through object. That's all about the parameterized constructor. If you talk about the copy constructor, to access value from one constructor to other constructor, that copy constructor type will be used. That's about the copy constructor. But as I talk now, every Java class has a default constructor. Means if you not create a constructor, but for accessing or but for giving a value to the instance variable, the default constructor is used, and which gives the default value of that instance variable for that instance variable. If you talk about the default value of the instance variable, if you talk about the int, then the default value for the int is 0. That is the char. For char, there given default value. Then also for double, for float, for all types of the data type, the default value is given if we are not created a constructor. That's all about the default constructor. In case of the parameterized constructor, we will pass any of the argument to call for a parameterized constructor, like for a int, string, char, boolean, like that argument we will pass to call a parameterized constructor. But in as I talk now, constructor is special type of method. Means for method we will achieve method overloading concept, same as that of the constructor. We will achieve a constructor overloading concept. If you talk about the constructor overloading, there will be some of the rules for achieving the constructor overloading. That is, there will be if you talk about the constructor overloading, there must be the name of that constructors will be same. There will be no return type, and there will be the no same parameters will be given for both the constructor. Means we will able to change the sequence of the parameters given for the constructor, or change the type of the constructor. We will change the type of the argument or parameters given for that call, for giving call to that constructor, or also we will able to change the number of arguments passed to call for that constructor to achieve the constructor overloading. That's all about the constructor overloading. If you talk about the constructor, there will be some access modifier is given to access that constructor up to some limit. The access modifier are private, protected, default, then public. That's all about the access modifier used in the constructor in the for accessing the constructor. That's all about the access modifier for the constructor. That's all about the constructor. Okay, thank you.